Question 6. Find log with base 6 of 1 over 36. Okay, so we're trying to find what this is equal to. And since we don't know what it's equal to, I'm just going to label that as x. Okay, so now we're going to change this from logs to an exponential function. So I'm going to take 6, raise that to x, and that's going to be equal to 1 over 36. So 6 raised to x is equal to 1 over 36. Okay. Now we could raise 36, or we can change 36 to 6 raised to 2, because we know that 6 times 6 is 36. Okay. Now I can move this out of the exponential, or not the exponential, as out of a fraction. So that's going to be 6 raised to negative 2, because I moved that 2 from the bottom to the top. Okay, now notice I've got my bases the same now. They're both 6. So x is equal to negative 2. And that's your final answer.